that's not all, because street dancers Flawless are going to be hip-hopping on down and performing for us. I'll tell you what, Sam, those guys are good, yeah?
Hey, Mark. I'll tell you something, Mark. They're not just good, they are...
Flawless. Absolutely flawless.
Well, enough of this jibber-jabber. It's Flawless, everybody! Hey, lads!
Wow, those are sparkly denim jackets. I love them.
Hey, and we've come matching today as well, so this is good.
This is all good. How you doing, guys? You all right?
Yeah, all good. Yourself?
Oh, very good, thank you.
For asking. Come on, then. Teach us something that we can maybe do at a party or something like that makes it look cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we're getting up.
This is what we're going to do.
All right.
So,
All right.
I came up in the battling scene.
Yeah.
So you two are going to pretend to battle each other.
Battle each other?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then
I
you go
will
down there and you
battle
go down.
you.
Okay.
See? That's the energy.
Yeah,
Right, so you stand over here.
I'll stand over here.
You stand over here.
Okay.
So if I was you now,
Yeah.
I'd be looking at him like this, because it's all about attitude.
Oh, I've got you.
Oh,
right.
You're not going to battle me.
Oh,
So what we're going to do, if you do this together,
Yeah.
cross your arms first. This is called a cross step.
Okay.
And then you cross out, back, cross out again. We're going to do this move one more time, and on this time, we're going to spin. So cross over.
Yeah.
Oh, right, spin.
Spin to the front.
Oh, I've got me skinny shoes
And
on today as well.
And look at him. Right, now, you need to do that one at a time. So you will come out first.
Yes, I'll come out first.
And then you go
I'll
like
get
this. You're not going to battle me. You're not going to...
Yeah.
And then you walk around.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm walking round.
Then you give him the cross.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
2,
Here we go.
3.
Yeah.
The spin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right.
All right.
You got that?
Yeah, I got that.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it. And he does the same.
And he does the same.
Okay. All right.
As soon as it's finished, you go, what? That was rubbish. And then you do the same.
I doubt that's steady. I doubt it'll be rubbish. All right. Okay, here we go then, right?
5, 6, 7, go.
I'm going to battle you. Oh, it's music. And it's just started going. Okay. Here we go. Woo. Here we go. Let's go. Walk around. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Yeah.
Do the spin.
In your face. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. What about this? What about this? What about this? Come on. Guys, that was awesome.
That is absolutely brilliant. Like, what are you performing for us a bit later on?
Well, it's going to actually be a short medley, especially for you guys, actually. So.
Oh, amazing.
Well, thank you very much. Yeah.
Please, everybody,
cheers.
give it up for Flawless. Awesome. Nice one. Looking forward to that. We have still got a lot to come, but first, we are going to meet a couple of sisters who we surprised not so long ago.
Just 2 days ago, in fact. Let's go and have a little chinwag with Daisy and Jasmine.